the word right. To indicate correctness or accuracy, right answer, right decision, right choice. She gave the right answer during the quiz. It was the right decision to invest in renewable energy. You made the right choice by choosing this path. To express direction or location, turn right, right side, right direction. Turn right at the intersection to get to the park. The book is on the right side of the shelf. He's heading in the right direction to solve the problem. To refer to moral or legal entitlement. On human rights, civil rights, right to vote. Everyone should have access to human rights regardless of their background. The movement advocated for civil rights in the 1960s. And citizens must protect their right to vote in elections. To indicate position or status in an ideal context. Right place, right time, right moment. When this is the right place to start your career. He arrived at the right time to catch the performance. And she made her move at the right moment, securing the deal. To express a specific or exact point. Right now, right away, right here. And we need to finish this right now. I will call you right away when I get home. We are standing right here, so we shouldn't get lost.